Hello all. Today we are going to see about how can we convert a GitHub repository into a mind map kind of things. What are all available inside a GitHub repository? So I thought it will be useful for many people because if you see any open source GitHub repository or n- any GitHub repository which has large number of files, large number of folders, multiple things happening in a single GitHub repository, right? So this is mainly applicable only for open source repositories, not for closed source repositories. But you can also make it for closed source. Let's explore that also. But this is a short video only about a tooling. There is no technical depth I'm going to cover over here. I just wanted to introduce you to this tool for all. This tool is called GitDiagram. How can we do it and how can you work with it? I'll just introduce you to now. Okay. Yes, for example, I have taken this LLM 2-week repository. This is an open source repository by MCGIL NLP. Actually, this repository is mainly for if you give an LLM over here, it will try to generate embeddings as an output. LLM model will itself generate embeddings. I have raised a PR for adding Gemma 2 models. On that time, I have used this repository. But if you see, if you take this repository, right? And you can see the link like github.com/mclnlp llm2back. But instead of that, if you see here, right, like if you give git diagram git diagram, then it automatically open a page git diagram https. That link will be given over here. So they themselves are using an LLM at the background and trying to generate a video. So once this repository has generated this diagram, right, that's it for globally whoever access it with this link, this image, this diagram will be only shown. This is a made by a developer. uh, you can look out his GitHub profile also or Twitter profile also, I guess. Um, you- this is generating a mermaid diagram. So once this mermaid diagram is generated, okay, there are some few errors, I guess, but still, if a mermaid diagram is generated, right, then it is cached in a common server, I guess. So whoever else, after seeing this video, if you paste the same link, the diagram which is generated now will be shown to you also. That's what in my understanding. This is actually open source repository, so you can also internally host it. They are using O4 Mini. OpenAI is O4 Mini. How to set up and self-host this model is also here. If you self-host the model and if you are able, I mean, if you are self-hosting this repository and if you are able to give your own repository which is in private, if it has an access, then it can do that also. But end of the day, I think this repository is not coming. I don't know why. But if you check another repository which I was trying to do before, this is a client repository, autonomous coding agents, which this I only generated before. This has this will generate what is the web view host, where is the starting point. If you click on it, it just also goes inside the repository also. It loads from the cache, so only we didn't see any of these images. If you see here, right, they itself have a famous open source repositories. If you see fast APIs repository, this is a fast APIs repository. This is how they have designed it for fast API. This is a mermaid diagram which has been already cached. If you give a new GitHub repository name, then it will start generating from the beginning. But now we face some syntax error, but usually it will not happen. I have tried it multiple times. You can try this also. This has for 11.2k stars. It's open source and actively maintained. uh, uh, that's it I wanted to introduce to you. Basically, if you have a github.com the GitHub repository is open, just instead of hub, you change it to diagram, then this page will open and you can see diagrams over here. That's what I wanted to introduce. That's it for today's video. I'll try to prepare more videos on which I have mentioned before. new models has been released. Gemini 2.5 new model released. Quinn models has been released. There are some techniques from China. Fully autonomous AI training, like there's no human in the loops. That is a new paper released. Absolute Zero, the paper name is. So I think we need to put all those videos also. Let me know in the comments what you are interested in. Thank you so much. Bye.